Right. Aditya Rawat, very good, very good. So I think now voice, audio, video clear. So just give the comment. Audio, video, I think everything is good. Yeah, I think now they have stopped the speakers, muted the speakers. Now the voice will be okay. Just give the comment. Is the voice okay now? Audio, video good? Okay. Right. Diksha Shetar, yes, good to see all of you. Right. So let's begin. So do not waste the time. So actually we are late by 5 minutes. I was early, but there was some technical issue there, started late. Okay. So first let's begin with the programming and data structures. So everybody knows, just keep the heading programming and data structures, and let's see what is the contents we are going to study. The contents we are going to study, okay, these are the contents we are going to study. So please, okay, note down. Keep the heading programming and data structures and teaching schedule. Copy karo. Just copy this. So the first we will start with the programming. In the programming we will study the basics, that is operators, loops, functions and switch case. Next we will study storage classes and scope, and next we will study pointers and strings. Just copy all this. I will explain everything in detail. Just copy all this. Just give me the comment once you copied. Sai Tejaswini, are you there? Are you there in the class? Just give the comment. You message me. Sai Tejaswini. Just give me the message once you copied. Gaurav, that is not in the syllabus, not required. Okay, so these are the contents, okay, we are going to discuss as part of your syllabus. Okay, so the first we will start with what? Operators. Okay, look at here in the basics we will study all this, operators, loops, functions and switch case. Next we will study the storage classes and the scope. So in the storage classes we will study auto storage class, static storage class, extern and register. Okay, we will study in detail variety of the questions, previous year gate questions, everything we will study. And in the scope you will study static scoping and dynamic scoping. I think everybody knows that. Okay, at least you have heard about okay, what is static scoping and dynamic scoping. So we will study in detail with variety of questions. And next we will study, okay, in detail, in depth of pointers and strings. So pointers and strings only we will study around 15 hours, 15 to 16 hours we will study, because everybody is afraid of the pointers. and definitely there will be a question from the pointers. Everybody knows that, very important topic. Definitely the question comes in the GATE. Okay, so we'll study in detail, okay, about the pointers. So about 16 hours we'll study pointers and strings, and next we'll study arrays. In the arrays we'll study all your 1D array, 2D array, 3D array, row measure order, column measure order, lower triangular matrix, okay, in detail of the arrays, everything we'll study. And next we'll study recursion. In the recursion we'll study what are the various types of the recursion available, like tail recursion, non-tail recursion, indirect recursion and nested recursion. Next we'll study structures and unions and dynamic memory allocation. So you know what is the meaning of dynamic memory allocation? So if you want to allocate the memory dynamically at the runtime, we'll use the concept of dynamic memory allocation. So we'll use some standard functions like malloc function, okay, calloc function, realloc function and all that. In detail we'll study what is the actual mechanism of the malloc, how malloc actually going to work. Okay, we'll study all that. Sorry, I'm not feeling well, so a little bit, so just please understand. Next we'll study the data structures. In the data structures we'll study in depth of the linked list, all varieties of the questions, creation of the linked list dynamically, okay, with the end nodes, and next insertion, deletion, insertion at various positions, okay, all varieties of the linked list questions, okay, finding the middle, reversing the linked list, finding the loop, cycle, okay, all varieties of the questions related to the linked list. And we'll also study single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list, okay, with all variety of questions. And next we'll study the stack and also what queue. And I will study like what are the applications of the stack, like infix, prefix, postfix and all that, okay, various things available in the stack. And we'll study implementing stack using queue and implementing queue using stack. We'll study all variety of the questions. And next we'll study the trees, and remember in the trees we'll study binary search trees and AVL trees. Okay, and next we are going to study hashing. Okay, so this is the syllabus we are going to study. Okay, so as part of our syllabus. Now remember, important point, very important point, remember, being a computer science student, it is compulsory that you must study programming and data structure. Okay, so I mean in case if you are, I mean there are some students in your batch, okay, from other branches also. I know that there are some students from mechanical, there are some students from civil and also electrical, electronics. There are multiple students are there, so please try to understand. Okay, right. Anyway, I will go with the low level to high level. In case if you find any difficulty in the terminology understanding, you can ask me the doubt. Okay, right. But remember, my focus of teaching will be very crystal clear, okay, targeting to solve your previous year GATE questions. Okay, I am repeating, my teaching will be very crystal clear, okay, to target to solve all your previous year GATE questions. So that is how I teach. Okay, right. Okay, and next, so that is about the syllabus, and the syllabus will take around 60 to 65 hours. So generally in the online, so it will extend to maybe 70 hours, no idea. So depending on how much time you are going to take to solve the problem. Okay, right. Next, so that is about the okay syllabus. And in case if you want any books, okay, just in case if you want any books, okay, so just go through the books, just note down. So these are the books, you can just note down the books names. Okay, so these are the general books. Okay, I recommend, okay, C language, test your aptitude by Venu Gopal and N Chandrakant. So this is okay, Venu Gopal and N Chandrakant. So this book is not available in the market, but you can find in online, maybe Flipkart or Amazon you can find. Otherwise I am having the soft copy. If you want, I can share with you. Okay, right. And next, C language by Dennis Ritchie. So this everybody knows. So he's author of the C language. Okay, so that book you know. And data structures by Sahani. This is also one of the good book. And next, data structures by Mark Ellenwies. Okay, so Ellenwies. So this is also recommended by your algorithm sir. Okay, Ravi sir, that is also good book. But okay, my sincere advice, no need to refer any textbook. So first, follow my class carefully. Follow my class carefully and target to solve your workbook and previous year GATE questions. First, okay, study my class carefully, and then okay, so solve the workbook questions. Solve the workbook questions, and then you solve the previous year GATE questions. In case if any specific topic or anything, if you want to study extra, then you can refer GATE other textbooks, but that is anyway not recommended. It is your wish, your personal wish. So anyway, I want to recommend something, so because students will ask like what are the books we need to refer, so I am just giving the book names. Okay, fine. समझ में आया सबको? Right? This will be based on C language only. Right. Okay, no Java. Okay, we study with respect to C language only. Okay, right. And the next, that is our books. And next, let's begin with the basics of the C programming. Okay, right. I think there is some problem in the software. If I am writing in the previous slide, it is showing here. Some problem. Okay. Okay. So let's begin with the basics of the C programming. So remember, in your class there will be all variety of the students, mixed. Your class is not computer science, it's like hybrid class. Okay, hybrid engineering, because in your batch there are some students who studied MCA, who studied MSc physics, who studied civil engineering and electrical, electronics. Okay, and okay, all varieties like mechanical also. Okay, MSc, MCA, MSc maths, MSc physics. Okay, all varieties of the students are there. So please bear with me, right? In case if somebody feels getting bored, okay, so please don't feel bored, because I need to take care of everyone. And there are some students who are second year, there are some students who are third year, fourth year, and pass out and experienced. All varieties of the students are there. There are some students who are already working 2 years and they resign the job and preparing GATE. That kind of students also there. And there are some students who are just second year pass out and they are also taking the GATE coaching in third year. So that kind of students also there. So it's all mix of all variety of the students. Okay, so please follow carefully, right? So because the reason I'm saying, I will start with the basics. Okay, if somebody is getting bored, so please don't feel like that. Okay, right. Now keep the heading basics of C programming. Note down. Yes. Okay. Now, okay, in the basics of C programming, okay, so just note down what is the operator, precedence, and associativity. Note down. Yeah, Prerna Jaiswal, good evening. Yes, sir, Surya Teja, we are learning C language. Yeah, Preeta Majumdar, you can solve. Okay. Note down. Operator, precedence, and associativity. Make the table. So this is a bracket. Bracket is having a high precedence. Associativity is what? Left to right. And next, this is what? Yeah, arrow mark. Arrow mark means what? Like power. This is called as a power. Okay, like 2 power 3 or 3 power 4. So generally they represent like this. So power. Okay, next high precedence is that one. But associativity is what? Right to left. Understand here, this associativity of power symbol is what? Right to left. What is the meaning of associativity? What is the meaning of associativity? I clearly gave the definition. Associativity means what? If 2 or more operators are having the same precedence, 2 or more operators are having the same precedence, then the expression will be evaluated by using what? Associativity. Associativity. Okay, right. Associativity. Okay, and remember, if both are having same precedence, then follow the associativity. Okay, you follow that. So copy this. And next is what here, look at here, this multiplication, division and modulus. All the three are having what? Same precedence. Multiplication, division, modulus, all the three are having same precedence. And associativity is what? Left to right. And next, plus and minus, addition, subtraction, both are having same precedence, and associativity left to right. And next is what here, equal to, assignment operator, and this having low precedence, associativity is right to left. So copy all this. Copied guys. Copy करने के बाद comment करते जाओ. Once you copied, so just give the comment. This is associativity, so there is some printing mistake. Associativity. Right. Okay, Sai Tejas, you just joined. Okay, so I'm just repeating. Okay, look at here. This is the operator precedence table. Simple. Bracket is having what? Okay, high precedence. Bracket is having high precedence. Associativity is what? Left to right. Okay, right. And next is what? This is the power symbol. Okay, next associativity is the next one. Next high precedence. Okay, associativity is what? Right to left. What is the meaning of associativity? I am repeating. If two or more operators are having same precedence, expression will be evaluated by using what? Associativity. Okay, right. So what is the meaning of this? You will understand. Remember, multiplication, division, modulus, all the three are having what? Same precedence. Okay, right. Okay, associativity is left to right. And next, addition, subtraction, both are having same precedence. Associativity right, left to right, same thing. And next, assignment operator is having low precedence. Associativity is what? Right to left. Okay, right. So that is the meaning of this. Okay. Okay. Now let's see, okay, what is the meaning of this? Remember, don't apply your mathematics. In the mathematics, you are having BODMAS rule. So don't apply mathematics. Okay. So whatever we are learning here, we are learning with respect to what? C language compiler. We are learning with respect to what? C language compiler. You are not learning with respect to mathematics. Understand that. So let's take the simple example. Let us say you are having, okay, 2 multiply with the 3 plus, okay, 4 divided by 2, okay, and multiply with the, okay, let's say 3 minus, okay, 1. Let's say you are having this expression here. Now tell me, this is a multiplication here, division here, multiplication here. So remember, multiplication, division, multiplication, all are having what? Same precedence. Multiplication, division are having what? Same precedence. Associativity is what? Associativity is what? Left to right. So it means like first we are going to evaluate this. Okay, so 2 multiply with 3, that is how much here? 6. 6 plus 4 divided by 2, so multiply with 3 minus 1. Next, okay, next associativity, division and multiplication both are having same precedence. Associativity left to right. So 4 divided by 2, next you are going to evaluate this. So 6 plus 4 divided by 2 is how much here? 2. So 2 multiply with 3 minus 1. Next, okay, this one is having high precedence. So 6 plus 2 into 3 is what? 6 minus 1. So this plus and minus both are having same precedence. Which one you evaluate? Okay, first plus. Why? Because left to 2, right, associativity. Okay, 6 into 6 plus 6 is what? 12. 12 minus 1, so that is 11. So 11 is the answer for this expression. So just copy this. We follow the rules according to C language compiler. Okay, understand that. Okay, right, copy this. Gaurav Kumar, that is called power. Second symbol, I told you 2 times. That is called as a power, 2 power 3. Okay, so you are having power, arrow mark is what? That is power. Generally you represent. Let's say you are having like this. This is called as what? 2 power 3. So 2 power 3. That is how much here? 8. Okay, that is the power symbol. Power will be represented with the arrow mark. Sai Tejaswani, are you following beta? Right. Prita Majumdar, Sandeep Pal. Right. So fine. I think everybody copied. Right. Let's move on to the next one. Copy this. Copy this expression and fill the result. This is the expression you are having and take out the result. Write down the result according to C language compiler. We are not studying with respect to mathematics. I know everybody knows mathematics. Copy this expression and the result. Remember in my class, okay, maintain a rough paper and pencil and eraser sharpener. Okay, you may use pencil and rough paper. If you have a doubt, you can write with the pencil. Just copy this. So 5 divided by 2. Okay, listen here. 5 divided by 2, what is the resultant value according to C language compiler? I am not asking with respect to mathematics, according to C language compiler. Okay, right? So just copy this expression and write down the result. Mahbub Ali, what was your doubt? Could you please help me with the last slide? I removed that, dear. This one you are asking, Mahmood Ali? Yeah, this one you can just copy if you want. Copy kiya beta? And that example was very small, so I erased it. So I think now you just follow. Just fill this table, copy fast, jaldi jaldi copy kar lo. 5 divided by 2, what is the answer according to C language compiler? We are not studying with respect to mathematics. We are not studying with respect to mathematics. We are asking with respect to C language. Very good, very good. So many students are giving right answers. Excellent. Okay. Now, so time up, guys. Done. Right. So understand here, 5 divided by 2. Okay, with respect to C language. Okay, how the C language compiler will do is, 5 is an integer and 2 is also what? Integer. So if both are integer, then the output will be what? Integer. Listen carefully. If both are integer, output will be integer. So that is integer, this integer. So answer will be what? 2. And 5.0 divided by 2. Understand here, one is the float. 5.0 means what? This is the float. Okay, and this is what here? Integer. So one is the float, other is integer. Remember, the output will be float. One is integer, other is a float. The output will be what? Float. So what is the answer of this? Okay, 2.5. okay, like 2.5000 it will come. And next 5.0 divided by 2.0, both are float, so output will be float, so 2.5 only. And next, now tell me this one here, 2 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5 sorry, according to mathematics it will be 0.4. We are not studying with respect to mathematics, with respect to C language compiler. So both are integer, output will be integer. So 2 divided by 5, so answer will be what? 0. Okay, right. Next, so 2.0 divided by 5, so one is the float, other is the integer. One is the float, other is integer, so output will be what? Float. So answer will be what? 0.4. And next, both are float, output will be what? Float. Okay, so these are the answers. So most of you given right answer. Right, Sakshi Sutar, Priya, very good. Anshika Saroj, very good. Right, so understand, yeah. So just copy this, and what is the important statement here? What is the important statement? Tell me. Okay, important statement is what? If both are integer, output will be integer, and if any one is float, output will be float. Okay, so I will give the notes for that. I think that is given to you. Okay, so that notes is already given, so note is there. So I think all of you copied this. Copied all of you, right? So note down the statement. Note down, if both are integer, output will be, if both are integer, so output will be integer. Just wait. If both are integer, copy this. If both are integer, then output will be integer, and if anyone is float, then output will be float. Copy that. Yes sir, Ujjwal, yes sir. Prita Majumdar, yes sir. 2 divided by 5, 0, yes. Copied, guess. Okay, next. Next. Okay, so next, copy this one first. Copy this expression, and if I assign it to integer, what is the output? And if I assign it to float and print, what is the output? So just copy this. Same expression. Same expressions you are having here. Okay, understand here. If I assign this to integer, okay, 5 जो है 5 को अगर मैं इंटीजर को असाइन करके प्रिंट करता हूँ तो क्या प्रिंट होगा, अगर फ्लोट को असाइंड करके प्रिंट करता हूँ तो क्या प्रिंट होगा. सो दैट इज माय रिक्वायरमेंट. Is this clear? Right? Understand here. So whatever the expression you are having 5, so 5 को इंटीजर को असाइन करके प्रिंट करता हूँ तो क्या प्रिंट होगा, फ्लोट को असाइन करके, फ्लोट वेरिएबल का असाइन करके प्रिंट करता हूँ तो क्या प्रिंट होगा. Right? So if I assign this expression to integer variable and print, what is the output you get? If I assign this to float variable and print, what is the output you get? So that is what is my requirement. Try to copy that and fill the table. Yes sir. Rikati, yes, that will be error. Pavan Kumar Mishra, that is 0.4 only. Copy this. Many people will do the mistake. So carefully write the comments. Many people will do mistake in the class. All of you understood what I am trying to do? If I assign this to integer and print, what is the output you get? If I assign it to float variable and print, what is the output you get? So that is what is my requirement. Yeah, Shubhi Goel, it will not give any error. Okay, so just listen here. Okay, now time up guys. So fine. Now tell me 5. Okay, if I assign it to integer, so what it will print? 5 only. But if I assign it to float variable and print, so it will print what? 5.0. Remember, we are studying with respect to C language compiler. Don't apply your mathematics and don't apply your other languages. So now tell me 5 divided by 2. Okay, now tell me, so 5 divided by 2, understand here. Okay, 5 divided by 2, what is the actual answer according to C language? 5 divided by 2, both are integer, so output will be what? Integer. So 5 divided by 2, what is the actual answer according to C language? 2. Actual answer is 2. Remember, if I assign it to integer, so it will print 2. If I assign it to float, it will print what? 2.0. 2.00 something. Okay, right. And next 5.0 divided by 2. Listen to me carefully. 5.0 divided by 2. Okay, one is the float, other is the integer. Right? 5.0 divided by 2. One is the float, other is the integer. So what is the actual answer according to C language? What is the actual answer according to C language? One is the float, other is integer. Output will be what? Float. So 2.5 is answer according to C language. One is the float, other is integer. So actual answer is what? 2.5. Okay, right? Okay, actual answer is 2.5. But if I assign it to float, it will print 2. Integer, it will print 2. If I assign it to float, it will print what? 2.5. And next, so both are float, output will be float. So actual answer is 2.5. But if I assign it to integer variable and print, it will print 2. If I assign it to float and print, it will give what? 2.5. And next, 2 divided by 5. So this, listen here, many students are doing mistake in this. 2 divided by 5. What is the answer according to C language? Tell me, what is the answer according to C language? 2 divided by 5. Both are integer. Output will be what? Integer. Both are integer. Output is integer. So 2 divided by 5. Actual answer is what? 0. Actual answer is 0. But remember, if I assign it to integer, it will print 0. If I assign it to float and print, it will print what? 0.0. Many students are doing mistake in this. Okay, check it out. Next, 2.0 divided by 5. One is a float, other is integer. Actual answer is what? Float. Actual answer is what? Float, because if anyone is float, output will be float. So what is the actual answer of this one? 0.4. Actual answer of this one is what? 0.4. If I assign it to integer and print, it will print 0. But if I assign it to float and print, it will print what? 0.4. Okay, and same thing. Okay, so both are float, output will be float. So actual answer according to this, actual answer of this according to C language is 0.4. But if I assign it to integer, it will print 0. If I assign it to float, it will print what? 0.4. Okay, right. Yes, sir. Yogendra, yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, 5 divided by 2, we will answer will be 2.5 in float. No. Harshit Gupta, 5 divided by 2, actual, and that is what I am saying. Don't confuse. 5 divided by 2, both are integer. 5 divided by 2, both are integer. Output will be what? According to C language, what is the output? 2 only. If I assign it to integer, it will print 2. If I assign it to float, it will print 2.0. So don't confuse. What is this Anu is saying? Why not 2.5 or float? Where is 2.5? See, Anu, you cannot apply your own logic. This is C language compiler we are doing, right? Sir, 5 divided by 2 is not coming 2.5 in float and 0.5 in Rekant. Yeah, you understood the previous one. What is the answer according to C language? It is 2 only, right? 5 divided by 2, what is the answer according to C language? 2 only. Both are integer, output will be integer. If I assign it to integer, it will print 2. If I assign it to float, it will print 2.0. That's it. Don't apply your mathematics. Don't apply your mathematics. Don't apply mathematics, please. We are studying with respect to C language compiler. Okay, if you are having any doubt, no need to ask anyone. Just execute by taking the printf. एक variable ले लो. Okay, just simply assign this to simple float variable. Okay, let's take a float f. Okay, equal to 5 divided by 2. Okay, you assign like this, float f equal to 5 divided by 2 and printf करके देखो, printf percentile f. Okay, f को print करो, मालूम हो जाएगा, तुम खुद ही देख लो. You can just execute by taking the simple printf and check it out. Okay, right? Don't apply your mathematics, dear. Okay, understood all of you? Sir, Indra sir, why float is 2 divided by 5 is 0.0 not 0.4? Arey, what is this 2 divided by 5? I told already, right? 2 divided by 5, what is the answer according to C language? Tell me. 2 divided by 5, what is the answer according to C language? According to C language, what is the answer? 0 only. You are assigning 0 to integer, it will print 0. If I assign it to float, it will print 0.0. Don't apply your mathematics. What is the answer according to C language? Both are integer. 2 divided by 5, both are integer. Output will be integer. Just follow the rules. Just follow the rules. Both are integer, output is integer. So what is the answer? 0 only. Right? According to C language. If I assign it to integer, it will print 0. If I assign it to float, it will print 0.0. Right? Sai Tejaswini, is this clear? Now you tell me, okay, Surjit Mandal, 5.0 divided by 2, okay, one is a float, other is integer. Actual answer is what? 2.5. If I assign it to float, it will print 2.5 only. Right? Okay. Yeah. So I think everyone is clear. Right? So it is very simple. Why you are confusing? Just follow the rules. That's it. Now take this question. Abhi malum ho jayega. How many of you understood? Some problem with the software. Looks like. Okay. Okay, take this example, tell me what is the answer. Copy karo, next question copy karo. Sir, you didn't give us your intro. Patel Kushi, I think everybody knows my introduction because there are so many old students. I already completed one subject for you. I already completed operating system. What is the output printed? Sai Tejaswini, tell me. Rajnish Moria, wrong answer. Ankit Goel, wrong answer. KK, wrong answer. Okay, this everybody knows. Percentile D is used for printing what? Printing integer. If you want to print integer, so you are going to use what? Percentile D. So everybody knows this. Rikati Pal, wrong answer. Hari Om Meena, wrong answer. Aniket, wrong answer. Karam, it is 10, you are giving 10. How come 10 is coming? Aryan, oh, we are elite batch. Okay. Smriti Shikha, wrong answer. We are new students here. Okay, you want my introduction? So I'll give also. It's okay. I'll give my introduction. It's okay. Okay. So somebody giving wrong answer, somebody giving right answer. I really don't know. Sai Tejaswini, you are also giving wrong answer. Okay, Harshit Gupta, you are studying first time from me. I really don't understand. Many students are giving wrong answer. Right. So just listen here first. Okay, just follow what I said. Why you are confused? So this is multiplication, this is division. Okay, this is again division, this is division. Now tell me which is having high precedence. Multiplication and division both are same precedence. Multiplication and division both are same precedence. Now tell me, so 2 multiply with the 3. So what is the answer of this? Okay, what is the answer of this? 6. So this will become 6 divided by 4. Right? Now tell me 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4, what is the answer? 1. According to C language, what is the answer? 6 divided by 4. Both are integer. Output will be integer. Next you are going to do this division. One is the float, other is integer. One is the float, other is integer. What is the actual answer according to C language? 0.4. 0.4. Yes or no? Sai Tejaswini. Right? Okay. Many students gave wrong answer. 8 divided by 5. Both are integer. Output will be integer. What is the answer of this? 1. Okay. Right. Now tell me, next you are going to apply addition. 1 plus 0.4 plus 1. So what is the actual answer of this? 2.4. Actual answer according to C language, this entire expression, actual answer according to C language is 2.4. But remember, you are assigning it to what? Integer. You are assigning it to integer, so it will print, okay, what it will print? 2 only. It will print 2. So this is the output. Yes or no? Varun, we assigned it to integer. Right. So many students, initially you gave 1. Initially you gave the answer as a 1. Now you are giving 2. And Susmita is saying 6. How you are getting 6 beta? I really don't understand. So 2 is the right answer. I think everybody clear. So first you apply this multiplication, 2 multiply with 3, that is the 6. 6 divided by 4 is what? 1. So 2.0 divided by 5, so this is 0.4. This is 1. Both are integer, output is integer 1. So actual answer is 2.4, but you are assigning it to integer, so it will print only 2. So I think now that is clear for everyone. Right. So I am just removing. Okay. Note down next. Note down next. Relational and logical operators. Keep the heading relational and logical operators. No, Amunib, it will print 2 only. There is no rounding. Who told you about the rounding? We are not doing rounding. Okay, beta. Mohammed Salim, okay, that's good. Aradha Mishra saying, please explain once again. Aradha Mishra, I think you understood now. What is your doubt? Tell me. Which one you have not understood? Yeah, Nikhil Verma, we will have a break. Okay, in between we will have a break. 10-15 minutes break we will take. 15 minutes break. So just copy this. Keep the heading logical and relational operators. Relational and logical operators. Keep the heading and copy this. कॉपी करने के बाद मैसेज करो. Just message once you copied. Everyone understand Hindi in your batch? Anybody don't know Hindi? Just give the comment. If you don't know Hindi, just give me the comment, because I speak more in English. Sai Tejaswini, do you know Hindi? Basic Hindi, I think. There are some students from South and West Bengal. Yes, sir. Kashish Singh, you have to learn. Okay. Now, understand here, there is an operator precedence table. Okay, just go to Google and just type operator precedence table in the C language. Operator precedence table in the C language. You just download that. You just download that, one page will be there, and take the printout of that. Okay, so keep that in your room. Okay, you should know what is the precedence of the operators, operator precedence table according to C language. Okay, right? So you can just download that and keep that in your, yeah, keep that in your room. Okay, so I think all of you copied. So Sri Ranga HV, I don't know Hindi. Yes. Yeah, some students only, I think 2-3 students. I speak very little Hindi, so yeah, you're from Karnataka. Yeah, yes. So I think it's okay. Anyway, even if I speak Hindi, I speak very little. Okay, so it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so next move on to this relational logical operators. Just listen or move fast. All the relational and logical operators returns 0 or 1. Now tell me, what are the relational and logical operators? Okay, what are the relational logical operators we are having? Relational means what? Less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Okay, I think everybody knows relational operators. And the logical operators means what? Logical operators, you are having AND operator, okay, OR operator. This is called logical AND, this is called logical OR operator. Okay, I am telling you clearly, so please download the operator precedence table, okay, of the C language. Just Google में type करो, just type in the Google operator precedence table and you can just download, take a print out of that. Okay, so all the relational logical operators what returns 0 or 1, returns 0 or 1. Remember, if the expression is true, it returns what? 1, and if the expression is false, it returns what? 0. And remember, important point, all non-zero is considered as a true, all non-zero considered as a true, and 0 is considered as what? False. So that is followed in the C language. Okay, all non-zero is considered as a true and 0 is only considered as what? False. What is the meaning of this? Okay, just understand here. Okay, so just follow this. Okay, listen here. So I have written very clearly what is true, what is false. Just listen here. If you write 1, okay, that is true or false? True. Like 1 you are writing maybe in the if condition. Okay, look at here. In the if you are writing 1, or maybe in the while loop, okay, you are writing 1. Now tell me, 1 if I write true or false? True only. Okay, if I write 1, true or false? True only. Maybe in the if condition or maybe in the while loop, you write okay 1, that is also true. If I write 10, true or false? True only. If I write minus 10, that is also what? True only. If I write 6.5, true or false? True only. Minus 3.5, true or false? True only. 0.6, true or false? True only. Remember, all non-zero is considered as a true and 0 is only considered as what? False. So 0 in the sense 0.0, that is also false. Okay, in the if condition, if I give 0.0, that is treated as a false. And next, maybe in the while loop, if I give 0.0, that is treated as a false. So 0 also false. And next, slash 0 means what? That is a null character. Remember, slash 0 ASCII value is what? 0. Slash 0 ASCII value is what? 0. So okay, even if I give slash 0, so that is also what? Okay, false only. Even if I give slash 0, that is also false. And sometimes okay, one more thing is also there. Even if I give null, okay, if I write capital null, that is also treated as what? False, because null is treated as what? 0. Right? So all non-zero is a true and 0 is considered as what? False. So just copy that. Copied? Right. So remember, slash 0, okay, ASCII value is what? 0. Slash 0 ASCII value is 0. Slash 0 means what? Null character. Slash 0 means null character. Okay, this is null character. Null character ASCII value is what? 0. Okay. Copied all of you? Okay. Right. So I think all of you copied. Let's take the small example we are having. So what is the meaning of this? Let's try to understand. So let's take the small example. Now tell me, so A is equal to 5 greater than 4. The first example, A equal to 5 greater than 4. Now tell me, 5 greater than 4, this is true or false? 5 greater than 4, true or false? True. So if it is true, if this is true, so it returns what? 1. So remember, 1 will be assigned to what? A. In case if you are printing A, अगर आप A को print कर रहे हैं तो क्या print होगा? So 1 print होगा. Is that clear for everyone? Right. And next, now you are having A equal to 5 greater than 4 plus 5 greater than 3. Now tell me, what is the answer you get for the second example? So 5 greater than 4, this is having high precedence, bracket is having high precedence. So first you write 5 greater than 4. So 5 greater than 4, this returns what? This is true. If this is true, this returns 1. And next 5 greater than 3, this is also true here. If this is true, returns what? 1. So this is what here? 1 plus 1, that is 2 here. And the 2 will be assigned to what? A. 2 will be assigned to A. Okay, right. So copy this and tell me what is the answer for the third example. Third example, what is the answer? A equal to 5 greater than. So the third one, what is the answer? Okay, so the third one, yeah, third one, look at here. So that is a greater than symbol, that is same thing, associative is a left to right. So the first you evaluate 5 greater than 4. Now tell me 5 greater than 4, true or false? True. So if this is true, it is going to return what? 1. So now this is returning 1 here. Now you are going to evaluate 1 greater than 3. Now tell me 1 greater than 3, true or false here? False. If this is false, returns what? 0. 0 will be assigned to A. So what is the answer for third one? 0. Right? Repeat kar raha hu. 5 greater than 4. 5 greater than 4 is true. If it is true, this returns 1. So next expression will be evaluated with the 1 greater than 3. So 1 greater than 3 is true or false? False. So false means that will return what? 0. So 0 will be assigned to what? A. Right? So the third example answer is what? Okay, 0. Copy. Quickly copy. Right. Okay. Next, keep the heading modulus operator. Kashish Singh, what is that? Right. Next, keep the heading modulus operator. So everybody knows modulus operator, right? I think all of you studied what is modulus operator. राइट. नाउ टेल मी, देखते हैं अभी कितने लोगों को आता है मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर. मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर विल गिव यू व्हाट, रिमाइंडर. यस और नो, मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर विल गिव यू रिमाइंडर. पढ़े ना सब लोग? Yes, Gaurav, yes, that is what I said. You download that operator precedence table. Okay. Right. Modulus operator everybody knows, right? It will give reminder. Okay. So देखते हैं अभी कितने लोगों को मालूम है. Now tell me, if I write modulus operator, tell me what is the answer for this. Okay. 15 mod 7. What is the answer? First one, 15 mod 7. Remember all the answers according to C language compiler. Don't apply your mathematics. Don't apply your mathematics. Answer according to C language compiler. What is the answer? 15 mod 7. Everybody knows. So that is the 1. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. What is the reminder? Plus 1. Now tell me second one. Minus 15 mod plus 7. Minus 15 mod plus 7. Second one. सेकंड वन माइनस 15 मॉड प्लस 7. तो पहले वाला तो जोर से बोल रहे थे, सेकंड वाला को जोर कम हो गया. हाँ, सेकंड वाला, सेकंड वन माइनस 15 मॉड प्लस 7. and tell me third one plus 15 mod minus 7. and fourth one minus 15 mod minus 7. Tell me answers. Remember, don't apply your mathematics. Somebody is saying 6. Don't apply your mathematics. We are studying with respect to C language compiler. Understand that. We are studying with respect to C language compiler. Somebody thinking like modulus cannot be applied on the negative values. Okay, don't apply your mathematics. We are studying with respect to C language compiler. Okay, so I will explain. Listen carefully. Minus 15 mod plus 7. Answer is minus 1. Okay, plus 15 mod minus 7. Answer is plus 1. And minus 15 mod minus 7. Minus 15 mod minus 7. Answer is minus 1. Okay, first we will understand these three things. Second one, third one, fourth one. We will understand that. Now tell me second question. Question number 2. Now tell me minus 15 mod plus 7. How minus 1? Just listen here. Minus 15 mod plus 7. Now tell me minus 15 में plus 7 कितने बार जाएगा? माइनस 15 में प्लस 7 कितने बार जाएगा? कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं सर कैसे जाएगा, राइट? सो जाएगा, राइट? टेल मी माइनस 15 में प्लस 7 कितने बार जाएगा? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट विल गो इन माइनस 15? सो दैट इज माइनस 2 टाइम्स. Remember, that is a minus 2 times. Why? Because plus into minus what? Minus. So plus into minus minus 7 times 2 is what? 14. So if I, okay, right? So this what is the value of this? Minus 14. And if I subtract that becomes plus, then what is the answer? Minus 1. If I subtract, what is the answer? Minus 1. Yes or no? Right. And next question number 3. Question number 3. Now tell me what is the answer? Plus 15 mod minus 7. So that is the plus 15 mod minus 7. Now tell me plus 15 में minus 7 कितने बार जाएगा? plus 15 में minus 7 how many times it will go? कितने बार जाएगा? plus 15 minus 7 minus 2 times. Okay, understand here, minus 2 times because minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 7 times 2 is what? 14. Okay, so that is the 14 here. And when you subtract, that will be what? Plus 1. Right? And next, question number 4. Tell me question number 4, what is the answer? Minus 15 mod minus 7. I think now you can understand minus 15 mod -7. ओके हाँ बताओ, -15 में -7 कितने बार जाएगा? -15 में -7 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट विल गो? -15 में -7 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट विल गो? माइनस और प्लस 2 टाइम्स, राइट? -15 में -7 कितने बार जाएगा? +2 टाइम्स, बिकॉज माइनस इंटू प्लस इज वॉट? माइनस. Minus into plus is what? Minus, and 7 times 2 is what? 14. So this is what here? -14. So when you subtract, the answer will be what? -1. Everyone is following this? Everyone is following. Many people don't know what is modulus operator. Very less people gave the comment. They are thinking how modulus is working in the negative. Okay, if you are having any doubt, what is the advantage of the C language? If you are having any doubt, don't ask anyone. Just write the printf statement. Printf percentile d, just printf this -15 mod +7, whatever you want to do, just give that. Just okay, execute करके printf लगा के देख लो. Right. Next. Now, if you observe these 3 examples, in these 3 examples, you are having some important point. Can anyone guess? In these 3 examples, whatever you are having, there is some important point. Can anybody guess what is the important point? Right. So in the 3 examples, you are having important point. What is the important point? Remember, modulus always gives numerator sign. I will give the notes. Just listen first. Modulus always gives what? Numerator sign. You are having minus here, so output will be minus. Look at here. You are having plus here, output will be plus. You are having minus here, output will be minus. Modulus always gives what? Numerator sign. Modulus always gives numerator sign. Okay, so -15, वहाँ पे माइनस, यहाँ पे माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस, यहाँ पे प्लस. Here is minus and here also output is also minus. Modulus always gives what? Numerator sign. Numerator sign. Okay, right. So next, let's move on to the next examples. Okay, I will give the notes for that. Just listen here. -15 mod plus 25. What is the behavior? What is the answer you get here? That is -15 and +15 mod -25. +15 mod -25. What is the answer you get here? +15. Okay, so why it will give +15? Just listen here. The behavior of the modulus is, if the value is a small without sign, just see here, if the value is a small without sign, here is a 15 and here is a 25. If the value is a small without sign, it gives the same value as a output. Okay, so here also +15 mod -25. If the value is a small without sign, if the value is a small 15 and 25, if the value is a small without sign, it gives the same value as what? Output. So that is the behavior of the modulus operator. And next, now the last one. Now plus 15.5 mod 7. So what this will give you? Remember, that will give you error. And -15.5 mod 7. So that will also give you what? Error. Why? Because modulus does not work on float values. Understand here, important point. I will give the notes. Pehle suno, just listen first. I will give the notes. Everything is there in the notes. Modulus does not work on float values. It works only on what? Integers. Modulus does not work on float values. It works only on integer. Is this clear for everyone? Right. So just copy this. I think all of you copied. Just copy these answers also. Kashish Verma 5 should be -10 and 6 will be +10. Kashish Verma, just follow what I am saying. Okay, Kashish Verma, it will not work like that, beta. Okay, I am saying like if the value is small without sign, it gives the same thing as a output. If you are having any doubt, you just execute. Right, printf में लगा के देख लो ना, टेंशन क्यों लेते. Okay, I am requesting all of you to install the turbo C Okay, I think everybody is having the laptop, so just install the Turbo C and you can just download Turbo C and execute in a printf statement. समझ में आया सबको? Is this clear for everyone? Okay, note down the points related to modulus operator. Copy this, keep it as a note, copy all the points. Modulus always gives numerators sign, and modulus doesn't work on float values, it works only on integers. If the value is small without sign, then it gives the same value as the output. Okay, so just copy that. Minus 15, minus 15 only. Pawan Kumar. Just message me once you copied. Yes, Varun Gupta, yes. So what do you mean by, okay, third point? If the value is small without sign, then it gives the same value as output. Okay, what is the meaning of the third point? Okay, third point is applicable for what? Okay, this one 15. The third point is applicable for this one. Okay, look at here. So for question number 5 and 6, look at here. If the value is small, okay, if the value is small without sign, you look at here. So if this value is what? Small, what happened to this? Okay, so if the value is small without sign, yes sir, 15 and 25 here. Okay, this is also plus 15 here, minus 25 here. So look at here, if the value is small without sign, don't look at the sign. If the value is small without sign, then it gives the same thing as output. What is the answer here? Minus 15. So if the value is small without sign, it gives the same thing as output here. So that is the plus 15. Is that clear? So this is the meaning of the third point. I think is this clear for everyone? Yes sir. Shubhi Goel, yes sir. Okay, right. So tell me what is the answer for this one. Take this example. Take this example. Tell me what is the output. Priyanka Kansal, 7 and 8 output is error. I told already. You are not following or what? Modulus does not work on float values. I told you that. Tell me this example. What is the answer? Copy karo, copy this answer and tell me what, copy this example. Tell me what is the answer you get. Yes, sir. Patel Kushi, yes. What is the answer for this? I really don't understand where you are getting answers, all these answers. Okay, right. So just listen. Somebody said 29. How you are getting 29? Daksha Raghav. 29 kaisa hai? Too much. Somebody get 30.0. Keshav. Oh my God. Okay. Now tell me, this is what here? Division. This is a multiplication. This is a modulus. Division, multiplication, modulus. All the three are having what? Same precedence. All the three are having what? Same precedence. Okay. All are following. All are having the same precedence. Associativity is what? Left to right. Yes or no? Associativity left to right. Now tell me. So the first you do this 15.0 divided by 2. One is a float, other is integer. Output will be float. So what is the answer of this? 7.5. What is the answer? 7.5. Yes or no? Right? 15.0 divided by 2. Okay, right? One is a float, other is integer. So what is the answer? According to C language, answer is a float, 7.5. So next what happens? 7.2, 7.5. Okay, multiply with the 2 modulus 7. Again both are having same precedence. You apply this. 7.5 multiply with the 2. What is the answer of this? 15.0. Because one is an integer, other is a float. One is an integer, other is a float. Output will be float. So 15.0 mod 7. 15.0 mod 7. Look at here, this is a float. When you are having, whenever it is looking at the float, okay, it will simply give what? Error. So just now I said modulus does not work on float values. It works only on integers. Everything I said clearly. Modulus does not work on float values. It works only on integers. So that will give you error. So think very carefully before giving the answer. Right. So right answer is the error. Yeah, many people are giving wrong answer. I really don't understand. Aradhya, you said 3.75. I really don't understand. Where you got 3.75 beta? Right. So I think clear for everyone. If you want, you can copy that. Right. Okay. So I think that is clear for everyone. So let's move on to the next one. So I think everybody knows, okay, format specifiers. So just in case if anybody is new to computer science, any student is there from other branches, you can just copy this. Okay, these are called as a format, okay, specifiers. Okay, format specifiers. Okay. Okay, format specifies. Okay, fine, whatever it is. %d, this is used for what? Integer. And %f for what? Float. If you want to print any float value, you will use %f. If you want to print a % character, you use %c. If you want to print any string, you use what? %s. If you want to print any address, you will use what? %u. Right? So these are the format specifiers. I think computer science student will know it already. CS वालों को तो मालूम होना चाहिए. I think all the computer science students will know it. In case if anybody is there from other branches, you can just copy. Otherwise not required. No need to copy. Okay, because computer science students will know it already. Right. Now tell me this. Copy this example. Tell me what is the output printed. I think everybody knows if and else. Yes sir. Surya Teja, yes sir. So take this example and tell me what is the output printed. Okay, remember this is equal to, only one equal to is there. This integer a equal to 5, so this is a equal to 8. So you are having only one equal to. It is not a double equal to, it is a single equal to only. So take this. What happened? Oh my god. Right. Just check carefully what is the output you are going to get, and in case if it is error, you can say anywhere it is error, you can say error also. Okay, remember all the programs are executable programs. If you are having any doubt, you can execute. If you are having any doubt, you can execute the program. Whatever I am giving, so all are executable programs only. Sai Tejaswini, so keep giving the comments. Right. So different people are giving different answers. Very good. No options, Indra. Right. See, actually many people don't know the basics of the C language. Okay, I can see, understand by you are looking at your comments. Okay, many people don't know simple basics of C language. Okay, understand here. Right. Remember, I am clearly saying whatever the program you are writing here, that is an executable program. If you are having any doubt, you can just type the program and check, execute and check. So first, listen here, integer a equal to 5. So what is this here? This is generally, what do you call this? This is called as a declaration and initialization both. So this, when I specify integer, so that is what is called as a declaration. Declaring the variable integer, okay, right, a equal to 5, that is called a declaration and initialization. So the purpose of the declaration is what? Allocating the memory, and you are just informing the compiler that I want to allocate the memory for the integer. So integer, the typical turbo C takes how many bytes? 2 bytes. So 2 bytes of memory will be allocated for that. So just listen here. So variable a memory will be allocated, that is 5. Okay, right. So this is called as what? Declaration and initialization. Okay, right. Okay, what happened is sometimes working, sometimes not working. Okay, so that is called as a declaration initialization. And next, okay, if a equal to 8, remember what is this here? Single equal to. If it is a single equal to a, what is this called as a? That is called as what? Assignment operator. So that is what? Assignment operator. So just listen carefully. That is not a double equal to. I said that is a single equal to. Now remember, many students are given that okay, single equal to is not allowed in the if condition. Single equal to not allowed in the if condition. Who told you that? Where you studied that? Did you execute that program? Single equal to not allowed बोल के कहाँ पढ़े? कौन सिखाया? कौन सा किताब में पढ़े आप लोग? Right? So many students are giving wrong answers. Remember, single equal to is also allowed. So what is this here? Assignment operator. Please understand here, understand the behavior of the assignment operator. Assignment operator assigns the value. मेरे को सुनो पहले, listen to me. Assignment operator assigns the value and returns assigned value. That is the behavior of the assignment operator. Assignment operator, what it will do? Assignment operator assigns the value and returns assigned value. Returns assigned value. So first of all, assignment operator, the basic purpose. Assignment operator, the basic behavior is what? Assigning the value. First it will do that. Assignment operator, the basic behavior, basic purpose, basic duty, basic work. Basic work is what? Just assigning the value. So first it will assign, what it will assign? 8. So it will assign 8 to the a value changing to 8. And next, assignment operator assigns the value and returns what? Assigned value. What is the value it is assigned here? 8. So in the if condition, you are passing what? 8. Okay, it is returning assigned value. What is assigned value here? 8. So in the if condition, you are assigning returning which value, passing which value? 8. So 8 is treated as a true or false? True. Remember, just now I told all non-zero is considered as a true and 0 is considered as what? False. All non-zero considered as a true and 0 is considered as a false. So if 8 means it is treating as what? True here. So what it will print? Raj. So I am writing here in the output it will print what? Raj. So the first it is printing Raj, and everybody knows if and else. If and else means what? Either if will execute or else will execute. So both will not execute. There is no chance it will execute both. It will execute only if or else. So this condition is true. It will print this one. Raj will be printed. And next, when I say print a %a, now tell me what is the a value in the memory now? A value is 8. So next it will print what? 8. 8 will be printed, and after that you are saying a equal to 10 comma 20. If you are assigning like this in the bracket you assign 10 20 and like this. Remember the latest value, the last value whatever you are writing in the comma, that will be assigned to 20. that will be assigned to 20. The last value, right? So the last value 20 will be assigned to A, right? So why 20 is assigning? Okay, that is like if you study C language in the registers, so first it will take in the register, it will take the 10 and later it will take what, 20, then finally the 20 will be copied to what, A. So the finally the A value will change to what, 20 here. So next, now if I print percentage A, next what it will print, 20 will give as the output. So this is the answer you are going to get. Is that clear? So I am repeating, okay, in the A equal to 10 comma 20, if I write like this, the final value, last value whatever is there, so that will be assigned to A. Okay, what is the last value? That is 20 here. Even if you write 10, 20, 30, 40 like this, okay, even if you write multiple values, the last value whatever is there, that will be assigned to A. Is this clear for everyone? Right? So that is the behavior. So why it is behaving like that? Okay, that is an internal mechanism. Like okay, if you study computer organization, you are having what, registers. In the register first it will fetch okay 10 and later 20. So 20 finally 20 will be assigned to A. Is this clear? Right? Just understand the last value will be assigned to okay variable A. So this is the output you are going to get. So please copy this. Okay, how Raj is getting printed? Remember, in the if condition, that is becoming what? True. I told very clearly. Muhammad Ali, what happened? Mahmoud Ali. Okay, listen here, beta. Okay, assignment operator क्या बोला मैं? Assignment operator assigns the value, returns assigned value. जो असाइन किया उसको रिटर्न करेगा. सो क्या असाइन किया अपन ने? 8 को असाइन किया तो 8 को रिटर्न करेगा. इफ के अंदर 8 को रिटर्न करेगा. अब बताओ, इफ के अंदर 8 को रिटर्न किया तो 8 मतलब ट्रू और फॉल्स. इफ के अंदर 8 पास किया अपन, बस इतना ही है समझो. इफ के अंदर 8 पास किया तो 8 मतलब ट्रू और फॉल्स. ट्रू है. सो ओके, बिकॉज ऑल नॉन जीरो इज अ ट्रू, जीरो इज अ फॉल्स. सो ट्रू हो गया तो क्या प्रिंट करेगा? राज प्रिंट करेगा. महबूद अली, समझ में आया बेटा? अभी is this clear beta? Right, so I think now that is clear. What is this? Ankit Kumar is, can you please repeat? Which one? अंकित, अभी समझ में आया होगा, इसी में डाउट होगा तुमको, राइट? सो असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर क्या करता है? असाइन्स द वैल्यू, रिटर्न्स असाइन्ड वैल्यू. ओके, राइट. सो नोट डाउन द पॉइंट्स लिखो, राइट? ये वाला पॉइंट लिखो, कॉपी दिस. असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर assigns the value, अंकित कुमार समझ में आया बेटा? प्रीतम Majumdar, there is no gap. Output will be on the same line. Shivam, there is no slash n, so it will be same. Shubham Sahu, okay, you can check. What is that? You can just check. Yeah, Tushar, in the if statement, if I write a equal to 0, a equal to 0 means it is treated as what? False. So false है तो it will print Kishore, Tushar, right? So Aishwarya is saying what is output sir? Output I have written very clearly. लिखे नहीं थे आप लोग, थोड़ा स्पीड हो जाओ. इतना स्लो है तो कैसे? You are going very slow. Okay, output क्या है? राज ओके 8:20. रिमेंबर देर इज नो गैप, स्पेस तो नहीं होगा, आपको क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए यहाँ पे स्पेस लिखा हूँ. तो राज 8:20. सो दिस इज द आउटपुट. Right. See, remember, in every example you will learn something new. Every example you will learn something new. Okay. See, please try to adopt the things. Okay. हर एक एग्जाम्पल में कुछ तो नया चीज़ आएगा. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, सो ये वाला तो कॉपी किया सब लोग. राइट. असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर असाइन्स द वैल्यू, रिटर्न्स असाइन्ड वैल्यू. सो आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर असाइन्स द वैल्यू, रिटर्न्स असाइन्ड वैल्यू. कॉपी किया ना सब लोग. राइट. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. कीप द हेडिंग printf. कीप द हेडिंग printf. Copy this. Example 1. Copy करो. Copy this. What is the output printed? इंद्रा वैद्य. मज़ा आ गया. ओके, थैंक यू. This is very simple, basics है. Actually we are studying all the basics only. These are all the basics. Frankly speaking, we should not discuss all this. ये सब नहीं पढ़ाना चाहिए. बहुत लोग कोविड बैच किया है इसलिए पढ़ा रहा हूँ. राइट. कॉपी कर लो पहले. जो भी प्रोग्राम अपन लिखे, ओके, ऑल आर एग्जीक्यूटेबल प्रोग्राम्स. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट ऑल्सो. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट द प्रोग्राम. सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम इज देयर. Right. So different people are giving different answer. Let's see what is the answer. Right. So what is the behavior of the printf? Understand here. So you should know what is the behavior of the printf here. Okay, listen to me carefully. Printf always returns a integer. मेरे को सुनो पहले. Listen to me. Printf always returns a integer, that is number of symbols displayed on the screen. Listen to me carefully. Printf always returns what? Integer, that is number of symbols displayed on the screen by that particular printf. Number of symbols displayed on the screen by that particular printf. So look at here. So when I say okay integer x here, so this is just a local variable. So in the main, okay, integer x, okay, x is a local variable. Okay, you are having a, so it is a local variable if it is not initialized. If the local variable is not initialized, default contains what? Garbage value. Please understand here. So this is an integer x. Let's say it is having some address 100. Example. So integer x, remember, is a local variable. If it is not initialized, initialize nahi kiya, so default contains what? Some garbage value will be there. Next. So printf hello. When I say printf hello here, okay, sorry. So when I say printf hello here, so printf main purpose is what? Printing the symbols on the screen. Purpose of the printf is printing the symbols on the screen. So now tell me what it will print. It will print hello. Okay, I am writing the output here. So first hello will be printed. Okay, now remember this printf is printing how many symbols on the screen here? 5 symbols on the screen. So look at here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what is the behavior of the printf? Repeat kar raha hu. So now the printf always returns integer, that is number of symbols displayed on the screen. Number of symbols displayed on the screen by that particular printf. Okay. Okay, by that particular printf. How many symbols are displayed on the screen by that particular printf? Okay, that is written by the printf. And remember, if you want, you can collect that value also. If you want, you can collect that value also. Now tell me what I am doing here. Okay, printf hello. Okay, this value, return value of the printf, I am assigning it to what? Variable x. I am assigning it to variable x. X is a which type of variable? Integer. So you can understand clearly, printf always returns what? Integer. Now tell me how many symbols is it displayed on the screen? Okay, 5 symbols. So 5 will be written by the printf. So what is x is containing what? 5. So next if I say printf percentage x, तो क्या print होगा? Tell me 5. Hello 5 is the output. Is this clear for everyone? Okay, hello 5 is the output. Right. So note down this. I will give the statement. Repeat कर रहा हूँ. Printf always returns a integer. Printf always returns integer. That is the number of symbols displayed on the screen by that particular printf. Okay, वो printf कितना symbols display कर रहा है screen पे. So that is written by the printf. Okay, right. So this printf is returning how many symbols it is printing on the screen? 5 symbols. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 को return करेगा. तो x में क्या assign होगा? 5. So what is the answer you get? Hello 5. Okay. Note down. Note down the next. Keep it as a note. Printf always returns integer. Printf always returns integer. Copy this. Keep it as note. Printf always returns integer, that is number of symbols displayed on the screen by that particular printf only. If we want, we can collect that value. अगर चाहे तो वो वैल्यू को अपन कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. There is no space. Okay, just ignore the space. After hello there is no space. After hello there is no space here also, and there is no space here also. In the output also there is no space. Just for clarifying you, okay, I am writing the space here. Okay, there is no space. Please understand. Hello 5 will be printed. There is no space. Okay. In case if the space is given, it will be counted. अगर स्पेस दिया गया printf में तो स्पेस काउंट होगा. Is that clear? Right. Because space is also a symbol, obviously. Right. So now there is no space. Okay. Just for your clarity, so I am writing that. Okay. So let's take the next example. Copy this. So take the next example. Tell me what is the output printed. Copy karo. Copy this example. Aditya Rawat, we are assigning it, right? We are assigning it to variable x. That is the meaning of collecting. Copy this example. Aditya Rawat, is that clear? Clear for you? Because printf is there, Rishabh, printf hello is there, so it will print hello definitely. Printf hello is there. Printf main purpose is printing. I told you all are executable programs. Aditya Rawat, very easy things. Okay. These are all easy things. ऐसा एक बार बोल दिया तो पकड़ लेना. Right? Okay, copied all of you. Okay, so very good, many students are giving right answer, right. So if you are having any doubt also, okay, you can execute the program and check. Okay, very 3-4 lines program, you can execute the check. Okay, right. All are executable programs. Okay, so you don't have any doubt. So void main. Okay, look at here. So everybody knows the basic things. Program execution will start from what? Main, right? Program execution will start from main, and compilation will start from what? First line of the program. First line, in case you are having anything, okay, before here, before main, so compilation will start from what? First line, but program execution will start from what? Main. Okay, right. Okay, so understand here. So void main integer a equal to printf made easy %d. Okay, made %d easy, and you are having printf daily. So what is the behavior? Just listen here. What happens here? So in the printf you are having made %d printf here, whatever it is. So remember, first thing is it will print output में क्या print होगा first. Okay, so output में first what it will print is Delhi will be printed. So the first thing that will print on the screen is what? Delhi. Okay, right. So because you are having printf Delhi here, right, and remember this printf will return how much value, how many symbols this is displaying on the screen. How many symbols it is displaying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to return what? 5. And remember, this printf is returning 5. That 5 will be taken care by what? Modulus operator, right? %ld format specifier. Is that here? That 5 will be taken care by what? %ld. %ld is used to print what? Integer. So first printf execution will be from this side, right side. Printf execution will be from right side. This will be evaluated first. That will be evaluated. What is this here? Okay, Delhi. Delhi will print on the screen. And this is returning which value? 5. That 5 will be taken care by what? %ld. And the next it will print what? Made. Okay, next it will print what? Made. And in place of %ld it will print what? 5. And next it will print what? Easy. Okay. easy, right? This is a capital, okay, right, whatever it's okay. Made, okay, percent del d के place में क्या print होगा 5 and next easy. Now tell me how many symbols this is having. This is having what? 9 symbols. Look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is having what? 9 symbols. Remember, this printf is printing. This printf is printing how many symbols on the screen? 9 symbols. You are having this printf. This printf is printing how many symbols on the screen? 9. Remember, this will return 9 and 9 will be assigned to A. Now, if I say printf %ld A, so next what it will print? Tell me 9. 9 will be printed. So, look at here. So, this is the answer you are going to get. Delhi made 5 easy and 9. There is no spaces here, don't consider any space, okay, right? Just for understanding, I am writing space here, right? So I am just repeating once again if anybody is having doubt. Okay, Harshit Gupta, that is the behavior of the printf statement. Printf evaluates from this side. Printf evaluates from this side, that is the behavior of the printf statement. First, it will be evaluated. Please understand here. First, this will be evaluated. So, somebody is asking, so why Delhi will be printed? That is the rules designed by the Dennis Ritchie. That is the rules designed by the Dennis Ritchie. Printf evaluates from this side. First, Delhi will be printed, and next this entire thing, this is returning how much? 5, because 5 symbols are displayed on the screen. That 5 will be taken care by what? %ld. And next what you are going to do? Made, it will print made, %ld के place में 5 easy. And this printf is printing how many symbols? 1 2 3, okay, look at it, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 7 8, so 9, okay, total 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is returning what? This printf will return 9 and 9 will be assigned to A. If I print A, it will print what? 9. So that is the output it is going to print. Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Just type. Manvi Mittal, it is having 2 different printfs, right? It will not take that. Every printf is having its own behavior. That printf is returning 5. This is a different printf. It is not going to add like that. Just copy this output. Kumari Sneha, what was your doubt? I said printf will evaluate from right side. It will evaluate from right side. It will execute from right side. So first printf Delhi is there. So first Delhi will print on the screen. And this printf is returning which value? 5. So that 5 will be taken care by what? %ld. Because %ld is a format specifier to print what? Integer. So okay, it will print made 5 easy. And this printf is printing how many symbols? This many symbols. That is 9. So that 9 will be assigned to what? A. So if I print A here, so it will print 9. Okay. If you have a doubt, you can just execute and check. Any doubt is there, so please don't ask. Any doubt is there, okay, don't ask a simple doubt. You can execute in case if you are not understood. Okay, right. So I think now this is clear. The simple thing, not very complicated things. Okay, right. Okay, so next note down the next one. Note down next question. Likho, just write down the question. Write a program Yeah, Karthik Gupta, yes sir. Harshit Srivastava, that is wrong. That is wrong. Note down the question. Write a program to read two proper integers. Write a program to read, यहाँ पे है, it is there on the board. Write a program to read two proper integers and display them on the screen. Display them on the screen. Otherwise, okay, print. Okay, write a program to read two proper integers and display them on the screen. Otherwise, print a message saying wrong input given. यहाँ पे लिखा है, it is written on the board. Otherwise, print a message saying wrong input given. So you need to write the program for this. Now, what is the meaning of the question? What is my requirement? Listen to me. Just listen carefully. What I want is write a program to read two proper integers. Read the question carefully. Write a program to read two proper integers and display them on the screen. Otherwise, print a message saying what? Wrong input given. It means, okay, you are asking, okay, you want to take the input. Listen to me carefully. I want to read the two proper integers. Like I'm taking your age, okay, right? Age and mobile number. Let's say age and mobile number. Your age is integer, obviously, and mobile number is also integer. Yes or no, right? So age and okay, age is an integer, right? And next date of birth or date of year and mobile number, anything, all are integers only, right? I want to take your age and mobile number, but I am asking to, okay, give the input, okay, for the age and mobile number, but you don't want to give your details. Just an example, you don't want to give your details and you are simply typing something like, okay, look at your dollar. You are simply typing dollar and star. Remember, you should not accept this input. If somebody is giving this, okay, you need to print a message. You need to type the message. Okay, output should come as what? Wrong input given. Okay, this should not be accepted. Look at here. And in case if somebody giving what? Hash symbol, okay, and 10.5. I am asking your age and mobile number. I am asking your age and mobile number. Age you don't want to reveal, you are giving hash, and mobile number you don't want to reveal, you are just simply typing something like 10.5. This is accepted or not accepted? Not accepted. Okay, आपको क्या print करना है? This is a wrong input. Okay, you need to give the print message saying okay, wrong input given. And somebody is giving okay, something like star and okay, percentile. I am asking your age and mobile number or any two integers, two proper integers, and you don't want to give any integer data and you are simply giving okay, input as a star and percentile. So remember, this is not accepted. Okay, that is the invalid input. आपको क्या type करना है? Wrong input given. If somebody is giving two proper integers, listen here, okay, somebody is giving like 10 and 20, the two proper integers. Don't worry about mobile number and all that, just two proper integers. So those two are integers here, yes, two integers. So then you should accept that. So then print the output, okay, percentile d, x and y, whatever it is. Okay, so this is my requirement. How you are going to do that? How you are going to write the program? Okay, you need to write the program for this. इसके लिए program तुमको लिखना पड़ेगा. Is this clear? Right? All of you understood my requirement. I want to read the two proper integers, like maybe like age or date of year, year of month, year of birth. Is that clear? Your date of birth, date is integer, and year of birth is what? Date of birth is date is obviously integer. Year of birth is also obviously integer, or maybe month of birth. Is that clear? Anything, both are integers. I want your date of birth and next year of birth. Date is also integer, year is also integer, but you don't want to reveal your date and year and you are simply giving okay, dollar and next star, or you are giving some different inputs. So in case if somebody user is giving different input, आपको क्या type करना है? If user is giving the different input, okay, then what you have to write? You have to print a message wrong input given. If he is giving two proper integers, then you should accept it. So this is my requirement. ऐसा requirement हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है? ऐसा रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है? This kind of requirement is possible or not possible? It is possible, obviously. This kind of requirement is possible or not possible? Possible. Okay, if somebody is having this kind of requirement, so how you are going to do this? Right, Sandeep Paul is a good, you have given right answer. Arun Negi, you are saying we can compare input with the ASCII value range of integers, true, accept. You are making more complicated. Siddharth is also saying compare with the ASCII values. Is there any other way of doing it? Varun Gupta, yeah, your doubt. Just check it out, Varun Gupta. Just check it out. चेक करके मुझे बताओ कल. Just check it out. Yeah, Rishabh, we will have a break after this. Yeah, tell me, कैसे करोगे? Write down the program. How you are going to do this? ऐसा requirement हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है? You have this kind of requirement? Yes, definitely. So how you are going to do this? Aditi Govindu, try catch is not there. Try catch is not there in the C language. Don't bring your Java here. Try catch is there in the C language. Sai Tejaswini, are you following the class? Different to say, somebody is saying that better use modulus operator, x plus y, mod 2. What is this mod 2 y? Take the input as a string and check. Using type. Using type, okay. So if you use a type, let's say I am taking the input of 10 integers. So every integer you check, right, one by one. So it means you don't know the behavior of the scanf. The problem is you don't know the behavior of the scanf. Note down, note down. Keep the heading scanf. Note down this pointer. Keep the heading scanf. Note down this pointer. Scanf always returns integer. Scanf always returns integer, that is number of proper inputs given according to format specifier. Yeah, Ashwadi Singh, I am teaching from the basics only. If you are new to C programming, don't worry. You have to learn C language, because in the GATE exam you are having C language only. Don't bring your Java, Python, other languages here. Just copy this. Scanf always returns what? Integer. Scanf always returns integer. Please understand that behavior first. What is the behavior of the scanf? Understand the behavior of the scanf. Scanf always returns integer. That is the number of proper inputs given according to format specifier. According to format specifier. Copied all of you? So what is the meaning of this? So how you are going to do the, okay, how you are going to write the program? Okay, very simple, right? So you just take, okay, this is the output, this is the program you are going to write. Copy karo, you can understand this easily. Just copy this program. See that how I am writing the program. I am just taking the value written by the scanf statement. You just copy this. I will explain. And copy this also. Shubhi Goel, what is the answer for previous question? Yeah, we are doing that only. Shubhi Goel, we are discussing that only. Ashwadi Singh, are you following? Yeah, Aditya, these are all required for the going forward to do other questions. Copy करने के बाद message करो. Message me once you copied. Okay, you can easily understand by looking at the program only. Right. So understand here. So void main. I think all of you understood. So just listen here. All of you copied. Copy तो किया सब लोग, right? So look at here, void main, okay, right? Integer x comma y comma sn. Okay, I am using another variable, okay, right? Sn. I am using a variable called sn. Sn means what? Like scanned numbers. Okay. Remember, when I am explaining, listen to me carefully. Explaining, just listen to me carefully. So you are having printf, enter two proper integers. So I'm saying in the printf I'm asking the user to enter two proper integers. Now in the scanf I'm writing %, ampersand x, ampersand y. Okay, you know that. And the return value I'm taking as what? Sn. Okay, remember the scanf always returns integer. Scanf always returns integer, that is number of proper inputs given according to format specifier. Okay, number of proper inputs given according to format specifier. Now tell me, what is the format specifier you have given? %d here. See this, %d is given. %d means it is expecting what type of input from the user? Integer. Now let's say instead of giving integer, you are giving some other value. Like you don't want to give integer, you are giving star, dollar, 10.5. Okay, any some nonsense value. Then what happens? It will observe very clearly you have not given integer. So what it is going to return? Listen here. I am giving in place of integer. Let's say I am giving okay something like star and dollar. Let's say first input you have given star and second one you are giving dollar. So both are not integers. Both are not integers, so it will return Sn में क्या return होगा? 0. Now look at here, one is a hash, second one is a 0. Look at here, one is a integer, other one is a not integer. So it is only one integer is given. Only one integer it is given. So it will return what? 1. And next, look at here, the 5.5 and dollar. Both are not integers. Both are not integers. It will return what? 0. And next both are integers here. Okay, it will return what? 2. So 2 integers are given, so it will return what? 2 here. Is this clear for everyone? Right? Next what I am doing here, okay, if Sn is returning, okay, Sn में okay 2 कब होगा? If both are proper integers, so it will return what? 2 here. So if Sn equal to 2, if Sn equal to 2, I am saying 2 proper integers are given. So proper inputs given, so that is %d x comma y. So in case if Sn is not equal to true, if this condition is false, it means you have not given the proper input. So I am simply saying wrong inputs given. Is that clear? So that is the behavior of the scanf. You should know what is the behavior of the scanf. Is this clear for everyone? Scanf always returns a integer, that is number of proper inputs given. Is this clear for everyone? I think all of you copied this side also. I think all of you copied this side also. Right. Is this clear? The behavior of the scanf is clear for everyone? Yes, Bishwaroop Rai, yes, Bishwaroop Pal, your answer is visible. Yeah, printf is semicolon is missing. Yes, that is just a printing mistake. You can copy what is there in that. Simple. Right. Good. Is this clear for everyone? Right. So now the time is 8:20. We'll have a break. So 8:22. Okay, 8:40. So PM only. Right. So 20 minutes break we'll have. After the break we'll continue. Right. So 8:20 हो रहा है. Right. Yes. So we'll take up the break. After the break we'll continue. Okay. Next, there are so many things. Today's class is mostly basics only, but basics means this is also important. Every question, every statement, you are going to learn new things. Okay, right? So let's have a break. थोड़ा चाय पानी पी के आ जाओ. Okay, I'll also have a break and we'll continue after the break.